the PAWS, 1, 2, 3, 4, magic circle, 6 double crochet, next round 6 times increase. I'll do mine off camera and I'll meet you back at the beginning, and don't forget your stitch marker. Next round, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, and you should have 16 stitches at the end of this round. I'll do mine off camera. Don't forget your stitch marker. Before you go on, turn your work over and sew your tail in, and then you want 5 rounds of 1 double crochet in each stitch. That's it. Now the pattern, the last one says to decrease. Now when I did the fox, I did what it says, but I didn't like it because on the corners it was too cinched, the paw. So I took it out and just did an extra. I did the same amount of rounds, but the last one I didn't decrease it. I just put again 1 double crochet in each stitch around, and then it will slide. You're going to get a bit of puckering because obviously you're putting that width onto a wider bottom top, but you can pull it, you can get it on a lot better, I found. So if you want to do what the pattern says, you do that, but I preferred it slid on further, so I know it's not going to come off. I will show you how to attach it. So do that, 5 rounds, 1 double crochet in each stitch around, and then an extra one, so it's really 6, and then that's it. You need to fasten off, but don't forget to do your tail, because as it goes narrower, you can turn it inside out. It's not that hard to do on this, but I like to do things like that before I get into the tube, if you like. So I'll do mine off camera and then I'll show you how I attached it.